If your MacBook Air or Pro newer than 2019 has sticky keys, try this safe fix. Step 1. Power off your MacBook and unplug all cables and accessories. Gather 90% isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and a plastic pry tool. Test each key to locate unresponsive or sticky keys before you begin cleaning. If your model allows, gently pry the keycap from the top edge and lift straight up. Use a lightly dampened swab to clean around the switch and under the cap. For sticky residue, rub gently with the damp swab until the residue lifts away. Allow the cleaned area to dry fully for at least 5 minutes. Align the keycap with the hinges and press down evenly until it clicks. Retest the keys by typing the same inputs. They should respond cleanly and consistently. If keys still stick, stop and contact Apple or an authorized service provider. Keep your MacBook clean and avoid liquids. For persistent issues, seek professional repair.